Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing episode here today on the best profitable products to sell online right now, where I come on here every single day and I reveal a new product that you can tap into right away and start making you a whole lot of money online. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you will not be notified each time I release a new video. So be sure to hit that bell notification button. Okay, so the product I'm going to be reviewing today, guys, is this ice ball maker, and I've been seeing this quite a lot on social media, guys. It seems to be a pretty trending product right now. One is quite an interesting product. Okay, so I know it's just an ice cube maker. Yep, it's just ice, but there's just something about it. Now, this ice cube or ice ball maker is actually great for those of you guys who, you like the shape of your ice cubes looking pretty nice and round. Now, one issue that we face with our ice cubes sometimes when you're using the traditional ice trays is, it starts to smell like the food in your fridge, or your freezer. So this bottle actually makes it easier to store your ice cubes in one place, and it's actually easier to open the bottle and just get your ice cubes out as well. So this product is actually great for those of you guys who love ice, right? There's people out there, guys, who love ice cubes. You can see it actually makes this nice round ice balls, which is something that a lot of people actually love to see in their glass cups, in their iced coffees, in their whiskeys, their cocktails, their beverages, or whatever you like to drink out there. There's actually people who just love to, chew on ice. So this is a product that would definitely suit ice lovers and even, people who love to drink or have a good time. So it's a great summer product actually as well, because it's obviously ice, and in the summer days it's warmer. But overall, all in all, ice cubes are something that we use all year round, regardless of whether the weather is hot or cold. This product is definitely a trending product, as you guys have seen on Facebook. It's getting millions of views and engagement, and on TikTok it's also doing the same. It's got 37.5 million, 3.6 million, guys. You can see the product there. It's getting a lot of engagement, and people checking it out and commenting, and just asking where people can buy this product. Okay, so now we found another trending product on social media. What we're going to do now is head over to Google Trends and, just as usual, do a search on ice makers, right? Just to see if it's something people are searching for, okay, and what the sort of demand is as well. So I'll just change that to worldwide. And then I'll just do 2004 to present, okay? Because people who go on the internet looking for ice makers, ice trays. So as you can see right here in the graph, it's a very steady product, and you can see the spikes of it going up during June 2010, August 2011, June. So as you can see, it seems to be a product that sells more in the summer months. So this is a great summer product that you can definitely tap into, because it makes sense. The weather is hot during the summer, and more people need ice cubes, to cool down their drinks. And during the winter, it kind of goes down a little bit, but it doesn't go down to the point where it's no longer in demand. So people are searching for ice makers all year round. During the winter months, actually, I love to have a nice little glass of whiskey, and I like to have some ice in my glass of whiskey. And I'm sure I speak for a lot of people. Most people don't drink any drinks without ice in it. So it's a pretty all year round product, but it just sells more during the summer, obviously. So definitely I would say there is a demand for that product, potential to tap into that niche. People are searching for ice makers online. So that's a product that you could easily market to that audience. Let's head over to Amazon. I already have the product open here. And you can see on Amazon, they're currently selling this product for $35.99. And you can see this is a product that people are actually buying. You can tell by the ratings. There's over 900, almost 1,000 ratings on this product, guys, which indicates that people are spending money on this product, okay? So it may seem like, such a pointless product. But at the end of the day, people are buying this product. That's what matters. People are spending money on these products. And you need to understand that not everyone is leaving a review on the product. These are just a very tiny percentage of people that have purchased the products that are actually leaving reviews. So this is a great indication that there's people out here spending $35, guys, on an ice cube maker. Okay, and that's what we should be looking at. We should, keep personal feelings aside. As a business owner, you have to tap into products that are going to make you money, and stop, thinking, oh, that product doesn't sound very good. Look at what is working, what is selling, what are people buying in the market. It's not about you. It's about what people are ready to spend money on. Okay, it's not your bank account. It's their bank account. I used to have this mentality of, oh my God, I'll never buy that, so nobody's ever gonna buy that. But how wrong was I? People are spending money on the craziest things out there, guys. And as a business owner, you need to tap into these opportunities and stop thinking that just because you don't like it, someone else is not gonna like it. Personally, I would not buy this product, because I'm not I'm not obsessed with the shape of my eyeballs, to be honest. But there's people out here spending, thousands of people buying this product on Amazon, guys. And this is just Amazon.com in the USA. People are buying this everywhere in the world, guys. Okay, so it's selling for $35. So what we want to do now is we want to go find a vendor that can sell this product to us, or manufacture this product at a lower price that would then allow us to resell it at a higher price and keep a profit. So I already went to Alibaba.com. That's the only platform I could actually find this product on. And one thing I love about Alibaba is the fact that you can private label your products as well. So there's wholesale platforms out there that allow you to buy the products. Not only do you spend more money on those platforms, but you also don't have the option to private label your products. But Alibaba offers that option with most of its products. So you can see this is the exact same product. You can buy this product, guys, on Alibaba, for $4.97 per unit. Okay. Now, if you factor in the cost of shipping, that's probably going to take us to around $8 per unit. Let's just to be realistic here. So let's just assume that we're spending $8 for one single product from the vendor. And this product is selling on Amazon for like $35. I would not recommend you sell it for $35. I'll recommend that you maybe stick to around $20 to $25. That seems like a sweet spot, because then it means that when you're going out there promoting your product, running all these ads, and people are running to Amazon to buy the same product, they'll realize that Amazon actually has these products more expensive. Okay, when you're just jumping into the market, it's actually easier for you to penetrate the market using the penetration pricing strategy. So you start by charging a low price, use that to build that momentum, get influencers on board, get the reviews popping, and then you can increase the price once you've built that brand reputation. Okay. And another beauty about selling at a slightly lower price than what people can buy on Amazon for is the fact that when people go online and they see a product, they run to Amazon and they're looking for the same product on Amazon, and they're probably going to come say, I can get that cheaper on Amazon. However, if you're selling this product for $25, guys, and people are coming on Amazon and Amazon is selling that product for $35, they're not going to come back and say, I can get that cheaper on Amazon, because guess what? You're literally beating that competition straight up. Okay, they're going to come on Amazon. They're going to realize that they can spend $10 less by shopping from your brand. And that's going to get you a customer. Okay. Amazon is a great research tool. Amazon has proven to us that this product is selling. It's now your opportunity, guys, to tap into this product, go out there and make you a whole lot of money. Okay. So for this ice ball maker, I would highly recommend that you guys charge a sale price of $25. The cost price is roughly $8 at the moment, and that leaves you with a nice sweet profit of $17, which is about double the amount of money that you're investing on the product, which is amazing. That's profit, guys, in your pocket, in your bank account. Okay guys, I hope you found this training useful in regards to a profitable product that you could potentially tap into right away and start seeing some incredible results. Now, I know the number one question that is probably going through your mind right now is, how do I get started? How do I create my online store? How do I go out there and start selling these products? I don't have the money to go out there and buy all these wholesale products in bulk and then start reselling it to my customers. Then I would like to introduce you to this incredible platform called dropshipfinds.com. With dropshipfinds.com, you can start your online store without the need to buy any wholesale inventory in bulk. The platform already has vendors that are willing to ship out the products directly to your customers as they order. So basically, your customer comes to your website to buy the product, but unlike going out there and buying wholesale and hoping that the product sells, the supplier is literally going to ship out the product directly to your customer without you having to buy anything in bulk beforehand. This is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that creates your website preloaded with hot profitable products you can start selling right away, and there's a bunch of different products to choose from. You get your website designed, you gain access to all the vendors that are going to be able to send these products out directly to your customer. You even gain access to samples of the product, guys, that you can sample out yourself. Okay, so the sample is going to be shipped out to you, and you'll be able to use that to start creating content on social media, and also use that to test the quality of the products. Okay, so this is an all-in-one incredible dropshipping platform, guys, that I highly recommend for you guys who want to start making money selling products online, but you just don't have the money to buy thousands of inventory in bulk. Dropshipping is a great way to test the market and see how things are working out before you go out there and spend all that money on the inventory. You can actually start making money on your dropshipping store, then use that money, guys, to buy wholesale inventory. Now, here are some of the things that you gain access to with Dropship Finds. Of course, you get your own website designed for you with a winning product of your choice. You get a domain name included for the year. Okay, so that's a www.yourownbusinessname.com. And you also get web hosting included for an entire year. So you don't have to go out there and pay Shopify $29 a month for your website, because that service is already included within this platform. Now, this website does not use Shopify. It uses WooCommerce, which is a WordPress build plugin. Okay, and the reason for this is because it gives users more flexibility to go out there and add things like apps, and it's not as expensive as Shopify basically, and you still get a lot more things that can be done on your website. Okay, so this is really a great beginner friendly and a really, really great way to get started as well. You also gain access to dropshipping suppliers. We actually have a directory with over 900 plus wholesale and dropshipping vendors that you will be able to gain access to, guys. It's amazing. And on top of that, of course, you're going to be able to get your orders fulfilled by your verified supplier. You also gain access. Here's another beauty about this platform. You gain access to a product sample. So whatever product you've chosen to sell, whatever website you've decided to purchase, guys, you're going to get a sample of the product shipped out to you at no extra cost. Okay, and this is only applicable, of course, to the UK and USA only, because these are the countries that Dropship Finds is currently open to at the moment. So this is a great way, guys, to go out there and test the products. This is one of the biggest issues with dropshipping. You don't know what the product looks like in real life, and you're kind of concerned about what your customers are going to receive. With this platform, you're going to get a sample of the product you're selling shipped out to your own address free of charge. Okay, and then you can use that to create content, test out the quality of the product, and literally get started with your marketing. Okay, this is amazing stuff, guys. You're getting the business and you're getting the samples to start marketing your business. Like I mentioned before, fast shipping times. Okay, again, this company only ships to the UK and USA at the moment. Okay, so you don't have to wait 60 days or 30 days for your customers to receive their products. 5 to 7 business days, your customers will get their products. Okay, here's another amazing thing about this platform. Okay, oh my God, I'm super excited when I share Dropship Finds. You get done for you social media content. There's nothing worse than having an amazing website up and running and then not knowing what to post on social media. So how do you go out there and start attracting customers? This is what a lot of people struggle with. They have the businesses, but they don't know what to post on social media. Not anymore with Dropship Finds. So for every website that you get, you actually gain access to done for you social media content. So this is going to be things like images and videos that you can use as Instagram Reels, as TikTok videos, and even YouTube Shorts, guys. These have been created for you for a 30-day period. So you've got 1 month of marketing content done for you, ready for you to just download and upload it to your social media profiles. How amazing is that? If this isn't the easiest way to start your own online store, I don't know what else is. Okay, you're literally getting access to everything. Is the laziest way, guys, to start your online store with no inventory. In addition to that, you also get your logo designed for you, okay, at no extra cost, of course. Marketing training courses at the back end, like I mentioned before. You're going to learn how to use social media and email marketing to start attracting customers to your business. And again, email marketing, as you guys know, is one of the most powerful ways to market your business. If you're not building an email list, you don't have a business. This is something you cannot do if you're selling on Amazon or other third-party platforms, because those platforms own your customers' data. With your own website, your own branded website, you are able to collect your customer's name and email and use that to market to them over and over and over again. Okay, this is powerful stuff. Plus, on top of that, you gain access to the private community of other members where you'll be able to connect, learn, and also gain access to monthly Zoom trainings to help you with your business moving forward. Okay, so these are the amazing things that you gain access to with dropshipfinds.com. And if this sounds amazing to you guys, I will leave a link below this video. This is going to save you a lot of time and, most importantly, a lot of money trying to put all the pieces together yourself, trying to go out there and pay for expensive websites, trying to design the website yourself, and then you have to figure out how to market your business, figure out how to find the best suppliers out there. Everything is included at dropshipfinds.com to save you all the stress. Okay, so if that sounds like a cup of tea, you can head over to www.dropshipfinds.com and get your online store built today, and I will see you guys in the next video.